Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify firewall error. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify firewall error, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop. You will click here OK, then you will go to click on storage. After that, in this page you click clear cache. You will find this window of clear data. Don't click here because that can mix errors on your app, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.